Y'all really forgot. I really forgot about Blizzard Thrasher. I haven't forgot about Blizzard Thrasher. There's just been a lot of battles and stuff, and it's kind of getting a little frustrating. But a lot of Beyblade battles to cover. Especially this time being. So anyway, so we got Blizzard Thrasher taking on Rage Longinus. This one's gonna be intense, bro. So let's see how this goes. Blizzard Thrasher taking on Rage Longinus. This one's gonna be intense, so let's see how this goes. So I still haven't fixed my launcher, which I will be doing. So let's see here. Raging Upper. Let's see here. Can it be Longinus? Can it be Longinus? Alright. Ooh, big hit. Can it beat it though? Can it beat it? Ooh. And ooh, Longinus. Longinus takes that. Alright. That's one. Bounce. Break. Get him with the Raging Upper. Oh, here we go. Ooh, big hit. Thrasher taking those hits. Ooh, that's a big hit. But Thrasher is taking those attacks like a champ. Look at it, bro. It's literally shutting down those attacks. But Rage got hit by a little bit. Alright. This is getting intense, bro. I'm loving this. Big upper! Ooh, big hit. Now that's a big hit. Louie's mad. I don't know why Louie's mad, but I guess we're gonna go with it because Louie's raging mad. Oh, he's got it, and Longinus takes it. That's 3. Alright. Boom. Raging Upper. There we go. Raging Upper. Ooh, big hit. Big hit on Thrasher. Ooh. Sends it back. Ooh, that's scraping though. But Longinus just took that like a champ though. That's 4. If Longinus takes it again, I'm gonna call it. Now, bounce break. Get him with the Raging Upper. Ooh, big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Wait. Ooh, that's a big hit. But Thrasher skidded. Thrasher skidded it. Rage Longinus takes the win over Thrasher. And I know my light's over there, and I normally put it over here, but like, dang. But Thrasher couldn't do anything up against Rage. Wow, that's crazy. But anyways, Blizzard Thrasher taking the win. I mean, not Blizzard Thrasher. Rage taking the win over Blizzard. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash down below. Let me give you guys some epic content. Because I will never sure read that podcast for that. Bears, I said, it's your boy, Kim, signing off. Says the links. Stay awesome and go shoot about here.